What happens if they say he's got a case to answer?
Iqembu le-ANC liya kungomfa ekhetha buholi esikhathini lesingemaviki lamabili lingathi ikhanza likhetha Mengameli losabukene nekuphenywa ngebucala. Indvunya yetempilo Dr. Joe Phahla ithi bafuna ukuthi ngeminyaka wa 2025 bantu bakuleli labangu-95% babe sebadi ngesimo sabo se-HIV. Lishonile wena wekunena sikwamukele tindzabeni tesiswati lesitethwa bukhoma la SABC1 natalamuhla. Iqembu le-ANC liya kungomfa ekhetha buholi esikhathini lesingemaviki lamabili lingathi khanza likhetha Mengameli losabukene nekuphenywa ngebucala lokhu kuta ngemva kokuthi lithimba lelitimele beliphenya ngeldzaba le-Phalaphala lolu bendzaba mlonyeni lithole ukuthi kungenteka Mengameli kudzingeka ephendvule ngalokubandi ngalesigameko.
What happens if they say he's got a case to answer? What do we do?
Tulwa kwabutwa kumengamela phambili ngemphala kwangathi-ke sekufanele uphenduleke nyalo. Lithimba lelitimele ngaphansi kwesigaba sama-85 umthethosisekelo lebekade liphenya ngesigameko se-Phalaphala lithole ukuthi Mengameli Ramaphosa kufanele aphendule kabanti ngalesi sigameko. Lokhu kwenteka nje sekusele amaviki lambalwa ngaphambi kwenkofa elihlandla lama-55 ukukhetha buholi lapho Mengameli bangenele khona umjaho kuleli iqembu lihlandla lesibili. Kusoloko kwevela ukubanjwa kwenkunzi eplazini lakhe Mengameli kuthiwa kwebiwa imali yangaphandle emalunga e-ANC bowasolwa aveta imivo yawo ngalokhu. Lilunga lesigungu setulu ku-ANC Lindwe Sululi kubeka kwacaca ukuthi Mengameli Ramaphosa kufanele imali eceleni njengakusho kwesiphakamiso se-ANC.
I would propose as we go into the next conference that anybody that we believe has serious accusations to answer for would be required to step aside. For instance, the Phalaphala issue for me, the Phalaphala issue for me would call for that.
Njengoba kwenteka ukuthi Mengameli abukane lelicala eliphathekayo kuloldzaba kungenteka ukuthi abe ngumholi we-ANC letandla takhe tingakahlobi.
The ANC has for many years been able to deal with moments of crisis. I have confidence that at that particular point, if we have such an eventuality, the ANC will rise to the occasion.
Senjalo sihlalo we-ANC nyakatho Kapa zamani solo uthite unelithemba lokuthi ngebucothola nabo Mengameli uthatha isinqumo lesingiso.
If it's found wanting around the issues of Phalaphala, there is something criminal about it. I'm of the firm view that he will definitely address the nation and say what everybody would expect from him.
Lilunga letulu ku-ANC Thoni Yengene uthi wenetisekile ngaleliphumo.
To him, he must step aside or resign to give the process of investigation a chance.
Njengoba selisonzele ukhetho langa-2024 ongamele atawube athe injogo ngofa ye-ANC lengahle ikhiphe baholi bakuleli bakusasa.
Emalungu ePhalamende afuna ukucaciselwa ngetindlela letawulandzelwa endlini yabayesikhulu ePhalamende ngalesibili lotako ngaleso sikhathi kutawukhulunyiswa lombiko wa section 89 lobuyena lelithimba lebelikhethelwe kubuka ukuthi ingabe Mengameli yaRamaphosa khona yini lokumphocelela ukuthi atiphendvulele endzabeni ye-Phalaphala. Emacembu etepolitiki laphikisaka evumelana ukuthi lombiko ukhethekile awukadayeleki bathi takhamuti takuleli tifuna ukucaciselwa ngekuthi kulandzelani njengoba lombiko sewukhishiwe.
Inhlangano liphikisaka ePhalamende tifuna timphendvulo ukuthi ingabe iPhalamende itawuthatha siphi isinqumo kulandzela kokukhishwa kwembiko kwagcekezwa eplazini laMengameli ye-Phalaphala. Lithi kubalulekile ukuthi licaciselwe ngaphambi kwekuhlala kwePhalamende ngalwesibili.
Is the independent panel report serving before Parliament going to be considered like any report? Like any usual report, and so are they going to be declarations or is it a debate?
I think that now the country is waiting for Parliament to process this issue after the country has also having access on the report of the panel yesterday.
Given the gravity of the panel's report, I would recommend that we have a full debate on that issue. I think we need to properly ventilate that issue.
Mapalano wePhalamende masibulele xaso uthi DA seyicele ukuthi kube nehlelo lokuvota lelibanjwako. Uthi ngekuvisisa kwakhe bekufute kube nenkulumo mbikiswano. I-African Transformation Movement ifuna kube nekuvota lokuyimfihlo.
It will be prudent that members of Parliament are protected from being dictated by their parties as to how to do.
We will now say with the options that Mr. Xhaso have put before this committee, which is one is that this committee may decide that is get treated or take an approach of tabling of the report where the report gets tabled and then declarations and then voting, asking for division and so forth, or is a fully fledged debate.
If
the House agrees that there is indeed a basis for that recommendation of the panel, because the rules then take the process to the next step. And the next step is the impeachment committee. So what will happen after the debate? A question will be put that these recommendations be agreed to.
Indvune ofisini leMengameli Mondli Gungubele ithi Mengameli Ramaphosa utathatha sinqumo ngembiko weldzaba le-Phalaphala lokhu kuta ngemva kokuthi lithimba lelitimele leliphenya loldzaba lekwebiwa kwemali eplasini lakhe lithole ukuthi Ramaphosa ngahle kudzingeka ukuthi atiphendvulele kwebiwa imali yelihlobo lemadola asemelika eplasini lakhe ngeminyaka wa-2020.
Akhuluma nebetindzaba ngemva kwemhlangano welcabinet kuleli viki. Kungubele uthe Mengameli uchuba kahle kulandzela kukhishwa kwembiko wekwebiwa kwemali eplazini lakhe iPhalaphala. Ramaphosa uhocise yonke imihlangano yakhe lomuhla kulandzela ukuthi isigungu lesiphenya kubandzakanyeka kwakhe endzabeni lwePhalaphala sinikete somlomo wePhalamende lombiko itolo. Mengameli bekulindeleke ukuthi akhulume nemkhandlu wetifundza ngetihlelo takhulumende tekulwisana nekhamba kwagezi ngenhloso yekumonga kuthuthukiswa kwemnotfo wasemalokishini nasemaphandleni kanti ke konke lokhu akukaphumeleli.
The point I want to make, colleagues, up to this point, the President has respected the laws of this country. The President subjected to this process. Up to this point, we have not seen anything untoward in as far as the laws of the countries are concerned. And now he says, I have studied the report and I'm still analyzing it. I still stand by my version on certain issues, but I'm ongoingly studying the report, await pronouncements, whatever that's going to be. And where I'm sitting, we've got no doubt in as far as President's response, respect for the laws of this country. Remember, those findings is a report that must be submitted to Parliament, probably depending on the Parliament's decision to kick at other processes.
Mengameli Ramaphosa uhlehlise tihlelo takhe tekuxhumana nemave emhlaba bekufuthi ahlangane nandvunankulu losacedza kukhetfwa eLesotho Sam Maketane. Ramaphosa ke uphinze wahlehlisa kubonana nemengameli welive laseVenezuela Nicolas Maduro lekumele ete ePitoli kulandzela kuphuma kwembiko wePhalaphala.
Uhlelo lweMengameli Ramaphosa lokuhambela emave emhlaba lumatasatasa kakhulu. Uthe makahambela leGibhita tambuto tinzathele ngalolu phenyo lokwentiwa ngemva kwekutholakala ukuthi akabikanga kwebiwa kwemali lemadola eplazini lakhe.
Let us leave it to that panel to come up with the outcome, and we cannot prejudge it. I can't, you can't, and we leave it in the hands of the panel. So they are best placed to deal with this matter. So any form of speculation really is misplaced.
South Africa
is a moral compass, particularly in Africa. So when these kind of things happen, it's a disappointment, but at the same time, it's democracy in action.
Inamapia italo ngemasapatelo alesigigaba. Kepha Mengameli wakulelive hakhe ngengpop umenjalo emagameni akhe ukuthi kude bubelela bendela Ramaphosa.
Kuchubeka ke nalendzaba yembiko welibandla lebelibeke kuphenya ukuthi Mengameli kumele atiphendvulele mayelana nemali leyalahleka ePhalaphala. Sikhulumisana nemhlatiyi wetepolitiki Mpumelelo Mkhaliphi lotasicacisela kabandi ukuthi mbambamba usho ukuthini lo mbiko asikubingelele Mkhabela sikwabingele tindzabeni teSwati.
Siyabingelela msakade.
Kafeshane nje ungasichazela Mkhabela ukuthi ingabe usho ukuthini lo mbiko na uthi kungahle kudzingeke ukuthi aphendvule Ramaphosa ngalelidzaba lasePhalaphala.
Lokhu msakade kuchaza ukuthi Mongameli uyasolwa kakhulu ukuthi ingathi uphule umthethosisekelo waphula naleminye imithetho yelize. Ngakho ke kubalekile ukuthi umongameli langabe athwese insolo efana naleti atiphendulele kuze ukuthi asho ukuthi yena umephi ngaloko. Kodwa ke msakathi njengoba siva ukuthi leli thimba leli holwa ngujaji lomkhulu Sandile Ngcobo selivele livetile ukuthi vele na kanjani umongameli kukhona lokumele akuphendule. Ayikho into langayenda umongameli Ramaphosa nyalo ngaphandle ukuthi vele ayobukana naleli komiti lesibili lekulukomiti leParliament lekumele licokwe ukuthi libukisane nalendzaba yakhe kuze ukuthi na avele lapha kule committee yeParliament atichazele yena ngalamanye amagama kumele ukuthi umongameli nyalo ayogwetshwa iParliament ngoba lo mbiko lo sowudlulile lapha etandleni tejaji futhi sewudlulile nasetandleni tesikhulumise eParliament nosivuwe amapesa ngqakula.
Ngiyephi lemthetho leli sikhuluma ngayo nemigomo la ephula Mengameli?
Msakathi yakhumbula ukuthi umongameli uma abekwa acoka ukuthi kube ngumongameli welive uyaye ukuthi asonge ngaphambi kwesive athi yena utawugcina umthetho walelive wonke aphinde futhi agcine nemthetho sisekelo walelive. So nangabe mhlawumbe umongameli asolwa kunje kumele ukuthi athi vedena umthetho lo ngathi uphulile umongameli osola ukuthi uphulile la lo mthetho lo ngamele izinto ezihambisana lokukhohlakala esibita ukuthi corruption. Ngicabanga ukuthi leti insolo leto msakathi insolo leti inzima kakhulu leti beka lifu lelimnyama ngetulu kwamongameli lelenda ukuthi angathembakali esiveni kungako kuyinto lebaleka kakhulu ukuthi ekugcineni umongameli akwazi ukuthi khipha kulenkinga le uma ahluleka ukuthi khipha kulenkinga le kutomele ukuthi ashiye isikhundla sakhe.
Libuka kanjani likusasa lakhe ikakhulukazi njengoba kutale ngomfa ye-ANC lenkulu yekukhetha buholi kanzi ke yena ufuna kubuyela epholini ihlandla lesibili?
Msakathi ngibona ngathi umongameli la unetindlela letinzathu ufuna kuphuma njani. Yekuqala ashiye isikhundla phansi. Uma asikhundla phansi lokho vele kwenda umsebenzi wakhe mhlawumbe ube lula ukutheni uthi khipha njani kulenkinga le. Kwesibili indlela lanayo ukuthi azame ukuthi alinze ukuthi iParliament inalo inkulumo mbikiswane kuleli viki lelitako emva kwaloko iParliament bese iqoka leCommittee le yomgweba utawuvela kwayena lapha agwetshwe umongameli atiphendulele angalinza naloko indlela yesibili leyo. Indlela yesithathu ukuthi mhlawumbe azame ukuthi if angathola ukuthi mhlawumbe bameli bakhe bayavuma ukuthi mhlawumbe angaya enkantolo ayozama ukuthi ajikise lo mbiko location leli committee le lelikhethekile ngoba sewushilo vele ukuthi akavumelani nawo nato letinqumo mhlawumbe angaya enkantolo azama ukujikisa lokho mara ngicabanga ukuthi le ndlela leyo emsakathi ingaba likhulu kakhulu angiboni ukuthi angaphumelela umongameli. So usenkingeni kakhulu umongameli uthwakala usekhoneni utholakala lifu lelimnyama lilangetulu kwakhe kungathi nje kumnyama kubonakala ukuthi utawuphuma kanjani kuya phambili.
Sesiphetha nje singalinzelani lenkulumo yakhe lekulindzeleke ukuthi ayethule?
Le nkulumo latayethula ngiyacabanga ukuthi inkulumo lele tawusukela ekutheni tinkulumo takhe nesigungu lesikhulu esingamele ANC tihamba njani namhlanje ambama ngoba shakwathi ukuthi njengoba lishona nje lilanga lesigungu lesikhulu se-ANC sitawuhlala sibukane nalo ludzabo lwakhe emongameli. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi lesigungu leso sitawufuna ukuthi umongameli umephi nabo labaningi ngivile la etindzabeni senikhulume nabo lamaningi labahlala kulesigungu amalunga lesigungu leso nasaphendulela athi abona ukuthi umongameli kumele ukuthi ahambe. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi leti nkulumo mbikiswana letaba khona kulesigungu ngihamba nje into leti tawenda ukuthi umongameli abone ukuthi uphuma njani.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi asibuke kakhulu babe isikhathi sakho. Mpumelelo Mkhaliphi lebesikhulumisana naye la ngeldzaba le-we-Phalaphala lembiko we-Phalaphala. Indvuna yetempilo Dr. Joe Phahla ithi bafuna ukuthi ngemnyaka wa 2025 bantfu bakuleli labangu-95 ema% babe sebadi ngesimo sabo se-HIV kube ukuthi laba labatawutfolakala banalo leli gciwane bathole kwelashwa. Le ndvuna yetfule inkulumo yokubungatala ilanga i-World AIDS Day eBloemfontein.
Indlela yetempilo ithi kugcekwane kubekwa amabala into lekufanele ibukisiswe kwendlela ukuthi bayoba nengbonto labahlola isimo sabo sengathi phahla uthi abantu labahola kancane labo labahlala endzaweni ethisemakhaya ngibo labathintseka kakhulu. Uhulumende uthi uhlela qinisela inhlelo ekutholakala kwelisito letempilo thudane.
We have set ourselves the target of making sure that we can be able to reach a goal of 95% of all South Africans knowing their HIV status, but also making sure that 95% of those who know their status are also on treatment.
The issue of stigma is a very huge challenge within our communities.
Government should work on finding ways to make sure that access to health care is across.
Ikosathu ifuna kwethule umshwalense wevela ngotempilo into lengasite enkingeni tsinza tempilo.
You don't have to look away, give support and resources.
I-Positive Action Campaign ithi uhulumende kufanele ende ngcono takhe unqandi tempilo nekuthi kube khona kusekelwa kululeka kwengcondo kulomkhakha.
What we've turned the program of HIV to, it's pleasing the funders in terms of giving them statistics that they need rather than providing quality to the people.
Lamhla kubungatwa i-World AIDS Day mhlaba wonke kanti sikubutile ukuthi ngabe iyasebenza yini lemkhankaso lehlose ngayo kwehlisa kutheleleka ngeligciwane le-HIV ne-AIDS.
Iyasebenza kakhulu lemkhankaso. Angeke sibhekele phansi. Umsebenzi wamkhulu kakhulu ngoba igcina iqwashisa nakubantu. Nanoma umuntu ubesekhohliwe ukuthi hayi kunesifo esinjenge-AIDS. Kwasisephela kathi sekubhilite kakhulu i-COVID. Abantu kusekathi sebekhohliwe indaba ye-AIDS.
Yona imikhankaso elisana nokubhebhetheka kwegciwane lengculaza nesandulela sayo iyasebenza kodwa ayisebenzi ngokwanele, iyadinga ukuthi uku-edwa okunye okuzosiza noma uqiniswe imikhankaso kakhulu nezinye indlela futhi ngoba kuyavela ukuthi kuyaqhubeka ukutheleleka.
Indvodza leneminyaka lengemashumi lasitfupha igcinwe esitokisini ngemva kwetinsolo tekugagadlela umfana leminyaka lemfica eKhimbali eNyakatho Kapa. Lendvodza iboshwe ngemsombuluko ngemva kwekuthi lo mfana abikele umndeni wakhe ngalesehlakalo. Unina lomfana lofunza grade 2 uthi ufunela indvodzakati yakhe bulungiswa secayisekwe kulabalaba netinhlitiyo letivelako lombiko lolandzelako ngendeka ungabaphatsi kahle.
Unina lenfomatanyana uthi lendvodzakati yakhe idlwengula amalanga lamane alandzelana evikini lengcile. Kanti-ke uthi lokhu kumthemete kakhulu umntwana wakhe kwengcondo nasenyameni.
I'm heartbroken. I don't know what to do when the child is sleeping next to me. You keep crying, Mama, this painful year is painful year. That is also painful to me.
Kuthiwa umsoda lophinza abe ngithishela bekavame ukuneta lo mntwana leminyaka lemfica imali yekumvala umlomo.
He must always be in jail because of children. For now, they are not safe. If I can see him, I'm going to take the law in my hands.
The
Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions can confirm that 60-year-old teacher from Platform 10 near Kimberley has appeared in the Khalishiwe Magistrate Court where he is facing charges of rape. He is remanded in custody until the 7th of December for possible bail application.
Nanobele umsolo sesitokisini nawo lo mfana uthi kusathatha isikhathi lesithe ukuthi baphole kuloko lokwendekile.
Kanti emakethe tetimali elirandi lehlile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Lapho-ke talamuhla mbukeli uqinisekise-ke ukuthi uyabukela kusasa i-SABC 1 nalesikhathi lesifanako udatitfola Tindzaba desindebele nisale kahle.